रोहित शेट्टी डायरेक्टोरियल सिंघम अगेन स्टारिंग अजय देवगन रोहित शेट्टी के कॉप यूनिवर्स की 5th इंस्टॉलमेंट है, जिसमें कई बड़े बॉलीवुड स्टार्स ऑलरेडी पार्ट हैं और अब खबर है कि इस यूनिवर्स को सलमान खान भी ज्वाइन करेंगे। To know more, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. We might just witness the multiverse of madness in Bollywood's cop dramas. We are talking about a rumored cameo of Salman Khan as his Daman character Chulbul Pandey in the Ajay Devgan starrer Singham Again. Yes, you heard it right. Speculations are right that Salman will be seen doing a cameo appearance in the same. According to news, Salman Khan will reprise his iconic character Chulbul Pandey in Singham Again. The report further stated that director Rohit Shetty agreed to convince the superstar for the cameo. Furthermore, Salman agreed to this without asking the director any question. If this is true, this will be nothing short of a visual extravaganza for the fans. Imagine Bajirao Singham and Chulbul Pandey joining hands to fight the baddies. We can expect some roaring cheers and whistles in theaters during the same. With this, Salman Khan will also become the second male actor to be a part of both big universes in Bollywood. His character Tiger is an integral part of the YRF spy universe, and he will now be a part of Rohit Shetty's cop universe as Chulbul Pandey. Before him, Akshay Kumar has also been a part of both the universes before Salman. He is also a part of the cop universe with his character Suryavanshi and has recently joined Mad Dog's horror comedy universe as the descendant of Sarkata in Stree 2. Meanwhile, there have been many speculations surrounding the release date of Singham Again. It is not a hidden fact that the Ajay Devgan starrer will witness an epic clash with Kartik Aaryan Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3 at the box office on November 1. Speculations were rife that Kartik had managed to chat with Rohit Shetty to try to convince him to shift the movie's release date to November 15. The actor felt that this 2-week gap would benefit Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3 and Singham Again. However, another report suggested that the makers of Singham Again are going ahead with the November 1 release date. As a result, it will be interesting to see the clash between the two much-awaited entertainers. The news of Salman Khan's cameo in Singham Again is just the cherry on the cake. Meanwhile, Rohit Shetty has also managed to pull off a casting coup for Singham Again. In addition to Ajay Devgan, the movie also stars Ranveer Singh, Akshay Kumar, Deepika Padukone, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Arjun Kapoor, Jackie Shroff and others. The film marks the 5th installment in Rohit Shetty's cop universe. Well, आपको क्या लगता है कैसा होगा चुलबुल पांडे और सिंघम अगेन का ऑन स्क्रीन बॉन्ड, और क्या ये भूल भुलैया 3 के साथ क्लैश को बीट करने की कोई टेक्निक है? Do let us know your views in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.